Don't buy lettuce anymore. Plant it yourself and have lettuce all year round for next to nothing. The first thing you'll need is a disposable bottle. It can be a 1.5 litre or 2 litre bottle so that we can make our pot. Making the pot like this helps a lot, because you don't have to keep watering it all the time, it waters itself. That's right, the first thing we're going to do is make a mark here on the bottle. About 2 fingers. However, this part can't be too big either. So here, I'll take off another 2 fingers with the scissors and it'll be about that size. And now, in the cap, we have to make a hole right in the middle. I'm going to use a hot soldering machine, but you can also use a knife, if you prefer, or some other pointed object. And here, I've already made the hole. Now, we'll need a piece of rope here at home. I don't have any rope, so I'll use a piece of fabric. If you don't have a piece of fabric, just cut a piece out of some of your old clothes, and this rope here will always keep the earth moist, so it will self-heal. So if you want to create this automatic system, it's very important to put a rope or fabric like this through the hole we've made here. Now, you can put the cap on the bottle and it has to stay like this. Then, here at the bottom, you put water and it has to be filtered. We put a quantity of water here until it touches the rope, and here at the top, we're going to put earth. I'm using soil from my garden, but you can use vegetable soil or soil with natural remedies for plants. Use what you have available and think is best. Let's put it like this until you've filled the whole area, but keep putting it in and pulling the rope so that the end of it is on top of the earth and not completely covered. That way, one end of the rope will be in the water and the other end will be on the earth. That's why it will always keep the earth moist. It will do this job every day. It's very cool and simple. What's more, here we're recycling the bottles that sometimes go to waste. It prevents the proliferation of dengue mosquitoes. Now, to finish, we're going to need this here. Lettuce seeds are very easy to find and very cheap. There are also hundreds of very good and very cheap seeds. And you don't need to use many seeds, just a few. Is that enough? This amount is good enough. Now put a little bit of earth on top and then we'll add a little bit of filtered water. This is good enough, and now you just have to wait here for about 15 days and your first work will start to appear, and in 2 months' time, it will be ready for you to consume. You'll want to store it in a room with little light or where it doesn't come into direct contact with the hot sun. Water it once a week, and in 2 months, it will be ready to eat. You'll have lettuce for the whole year, so make it at home, and if you want to sell it, it's also very interesting. Do you like fresh lettuce straight from your garden? Godspeed, and see you in the next video.